This junk is crazy. Like, that's a Chevrolet bolt pattern. What it do, gang? It's your boy Luke back with another video. And today, I'm pulling this doggone back window out. Back window got to come out. It's got to come out, gang, because y'all know I got this fresh window tint. I got this fresh window tint, yeah. And she smelled good in here, thanks to Bath and Body Works. I got them things right there. Them things right there. They smell so delicious from Bath and Body Works. So I had to get my tools out of this truck this morning, and it was leaking. It was leaking right there on that back window, right there. And I can't have it. I can't have that. And yeah, today's Friday. Y'all might get this video Monday or something like that. Yeah, y'all might get this video Monday, but today Friday is Friday. And I gotta get this back window out. So what I'm using to get this back window out is that right there. Yeah, so y'all gonna watch me cut this window out real quick, because I'm getting ready to get it out and go get me some stuff and reseal this window right here. I'm gonna put a nice bead on it. I'm gonna put a nice bead of sealing on it, and hopefully it'll dry up. It ain't supposed to freeze tonight or nothing like that, so hopefully it'll dry up and we'll have a leak-free back window. Success. Got that window out. That took me every bit of 5 minutes. 5 minutes. But I'm gonna clean this. Actually, let's get out. Let's get out, that way we can look at it real good. And I had to break out the doggone multi-tool too. So, yep. Cause my knife only got one piece of it. So let's get up here and see what we got. Yeah, see, that's where it was leaking at. It was leaking right around through here. You can see where the water was coming in at. So clean y'all's face up real quick, that way you can see clearly. Yeah, you can see where the water was coming in at. It was leaking in pretty good too. But I'm getting ready to clean this up. I'm finna clean this up. Take all this right here. Take all this right here out. Get out of there. Take all that right there out. And it looks like, oh yeah, John busted this back window right here. So that will explain the glass bits that's in there. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. I'm gonna take this out, clean this up. I'm gonna set you guys up while I carve the rest of this stuff out right here. All right. I got it cleaned up pretty good. Got all the stuff off of it. All the sealant, I got it all off. So probably gonna, I may hit it with the wire wheel. I got a small little wire wheel, so I may hit it with the wire wheel, and I may, should I hit it with some paint? Maybe. I may hit it with some paint too, but my thing is I don't want to wait on the paint to dry. But like right here, I'm definitely gonna have to hit it with some paint to stop that rust in that corner right there, because it ain't went through yet, but it looks like it want to. But I'm finna fill this whole void up right here, and it's just a little bit. It's just a little bit that's on that window right there. So I'm probably gonna clean that up, and I don't think it's gonna rain this evening, so I'll probably let the cats explore my truck, because I know as soon as I leave they're gonna be in here. So yeah, that part right there, because I still gotta go get my stuff. So I'm probably gonna wire wheel that up just to get the little giblets that I got left. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll be back in a second, guys. All right. We got what we needed. And I got a doggone caulk gun at work, but I'm not finna go out with it work to get it. But old buddy behind the counter said that he used this on his Tacoma. And he said he still has a Tacoma and it don't leak. Just he put a lot of it. And that's what I'm finna do. I'm finna put a lot of it for sure. So I gotta find some doggone painters tape, and then we're getting up out of here. Back to G-Pop. Ooh, she looking good glistening in that sun. Yeah. But look, check this out. This dude got 6 lug. He built, dude, this junk is crazy. Like, that's a Chevrolet bolt pattern. That is a Chevrolet 6 lug. He said there is no adapters. No adapters. He said he sunk the spindle off. Toyota brakes. He said he sunk the spindle off, sunk the hub off, and built it. Dude, that's crazy. 6 lug. Got the 6 lug on this joint, man. Hey, I seen old boy sliding in traffic in the 20s. I seen him sliding in traffic the other day, man. This shit crazy. Hey, that paint is hitting too. Man. That's okay, man. That's different. That's different. I like that. I can't hold you, boy. He got the VIP, got the V. Ooh, the lights is dope too. Man. Hey, yo. 6 lug gang. Y'all see what it is. But look, he trying to fool him though. He trying to fool him into thinking it's a 4 lug with them chrome joints. Hey, that's crazy. Alright. We back at the doggone house. But how come y'all didn't tell me to fit them doggone 35s? I'm gonna have to cut that. Or I might have to take this inner fender liner out. But I had to pull over because literally that bolt right there. Yeah, I had to take that bolt out, but I had to take it out from which I'm missing these 2. Y'all don't mind them. I'm missing them 2 bolts right there. But I had to cut that. I had to doggone cut that plastic, because that plastic come across right here. I had to cut that out, and I had to cut that out because I ripped my doggone fender liner. I ripped it, which I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like on the other side. because I didn't get a chance to. See it? See how close it is where it's rubbing at right there? And then right here, I'm probably gonna have to cut that too because it's rubbing right there. So, yeah, I'm gonna do that in this video too. Yeah. Anyway, see if some cat friends is in here. Some cat friends is in here. I guess they decided not to inspect, or maybe they inspected before I. Yeah, let me put these keys up. I know y'all don't want to hear them things jingling in your doggone ear. Yeah. Okay. Let me get up here. Yep. Y'all see the Crocs? Y'all see them. I got about 4 or 5 pair. Them jokers is comfortable. What you want from me? And I do got a missing paint spot up there. I do. I was gonna do that one of these days. But anyway, I'm gonna pop this back window back in. I got my tape to hold it up in there. And I'm finna put a whole bunch of it. I'm probably finna put a whole 2.5 tubes on this joint right here. So let's smash it down, tape it up there, and make sure it don't move. I probably won't drive it today. But let's go on ahead and get it done. Yeah, I laid that thing on that thick. I did. I'm talking about it's smooching out. You know what I'm saying? It's smooching out. I don't care, man. I'd rather, yeah, I could trim it up with a razor once it dries. So I'm finna leave it just like that. Just as long as, if it's smushing out, you know you got full, good coverage. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about, I got it smushed out. And I got some right there. I don't care. Yeah. That right there could just add to the bed liner. It's gonna go on here. Yeah. Sure can. But anyway, we done with this doggone window. I need to get inside and close it because I opened it up right there, but it's all good. Ain't gonna be leaking no more. That's for sure. Because oh yeah, I got that thing in there good. Yes, I do. So anyway, those of y'all that's just tuning in, do me a favor. Hit that like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit that like, share, comment, subscribe for your boy. Yeah, man. Because we going up daily. And I appreciate y'all that has smashed that doggone subscribe button. Your boy needs it. You know? Man, get on there. Stay on there. I might add some more. I might add a few more strips of tape to this right here. Might add a few more strips of tape because I don't trust the little 6 that I got on there. So I might add some more. That way it don't sag none and stay put. Because I know that right there ain't gonna leak. Yeah, that is not leaking. It sure ain't. Yeah, man. But anyway, like, share, comment, subscribe. And what am I doing next? Oh yeah. I'm probably gonna do, I'm gonna start the seat. I'm gonna start the seat in Chocolate Girl over there. Cause I know y'all tired of seeing just a bunch of G-pop videos, but you know, this truck right here, that truck right there, like I've done everything to that truck. Rear end, which is it's just a stock rear end transmission that has been built by a good friend of mine. I replaced the motor because I blew up the original motor in it. I replaced it with a motor that had like 60,000 miles. I did the lights, rebuilt the suspension. The suspension that I redid on that, this was before I had my shop. I paid them like $1,800, you know what I'm saying, to do the, so that's why she sits, because she's down to interior and paint. Interior, paint, and sounds. And it took me like forever to get the, it took me like forever to, you know, get the heat and the AC and stuff to work. But the heat and the AC working that right there. I can't say the same for G-pop, and I can't say the same for the Yukon. Only the heat works in G-pop, and only, from my understanding, probably only the heat works in the Yukon. I have not tried the AC yet, but I'm gonna get to it when that time arises. But the AC and everything works in that right there. But yeah, man, I'm getting ready to wrap this stuff up, and the next video is gonna be me putting the seat in that right there. I know I said in my last video that I was gonna come back and do the seat in this video, but my window was leaking this morning and I was freaking out. You know, my window was leaking. I can't have that window leaking. Can I have that window leaking? And then I gotta trim up these doggone fenders right here. I gotta trim them up because I didn't know 35 is gonna make it rub like that. But that's gonna be a quick fix. So hit that subscribe button for your boy. And with that being said, I'm out, man. Peace.